Welcome to Maven Knowledge. In this video, we are going to talk about pronouns. We will understand what all types of pronouns are there, and we will discuss one of the pronouns, that is personal pronoun. So first of all, it's very important to know that pronoun is one of the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection, articles. I have made a separate video on each and every parts of speech, and you can refer to those videos. So let's begin with today's chapter, that is on pronoun. So pronouns are words used in the place of a noun. Examples are I, me, you, who, what, myself, yourself, each other, nobody. Mike always wanted to buy a bungalow. He mentioned several times that he is planning to visit a property dealer. So instead of mentioning Mike each and every time, what we are doing, we are replacing it with a pronoun, that is he. Also, a very important note that Mike in this sentence is an antecedent. So antecedent is a noun or noun phrase that is mentioned at the beginning of a sentence, and later it is replaced with a pronoun. So that is he in this case. There are 8 types of pronouns: personal pronouns, demonstrative, possessive, interrogative, reflexive, reciprocal, indefinite, relative. And in this video, we are going to talk about personal pronouns. So personal pronouns represent specific people or things. These are used based on 4 things. The first thing is number, whether the person is a single person, singular, or there are many people. It's talking about plural. Person, first person, second person, or third person. So first person are those who are the speakers in a sentence or a phrase. Second are those person who are being addressed, and third person are those who are being talked about in a sentence or a phrase. I have made a separate video on understanding these 3 types of person: first person, second person, and third person, along with different cases, that is subject and object. Okay, so subject are usually the main person, and object is someone whom we are referring to, whom we are addressing. It also take into consideration gender, male, female, or neuter. So neuter is usually for non-living things, and these are neither male or female. From this table, you can see that in case of a single person, if we are using first person, so what are first person? As mentioned earlier, first person are those which, when we refer to ourself, when we refer to ourself, when we talk about ourself, I, me, myself, us, these are first person when we are referring to ourself. Second person are those whom we are addressing, so it's you. Third person are those who are everyone else, or you can say who are being talked about in a sentence or in a conversation, in a phrase. So it's usually he, him, she, her, they, them, it. In case of a single person, if we are talking about first person, that can be male, that can be female. Personal pronoun used in this case, in case if we are talking about subject, we will use I. In case of object, me. Let's see an example. I love singing. So I is the first person and is talking about a single person. Mike shouted at me. So Mike shouted at me. Me is an object, but it's a personal pronoun and it's talking about a single person, me. Let's look at the second example. In case of second person, that means when we are addressing someone. That can also be a male or female. And let's see an example. You are a good boy. So you is the second person. We are not talking about ourselves. We are talking about somebody else. You are talking, you are a good boy. Mike hates you. Okay. So you can be used both in case of subject and object as well. I'm talking only about personal pronouns. Let's look at the third example, that is in case of third person, when we are we are talking about someone who are being talked about. So in case of male we will use he and him. He in case of subject, him in case of an object. So he is smart, so he is a subject. Okay, and it's a personal pronoun. Can you call him? So can you call him? It's not a subject of a sentence, it's an object of a sentence. In case of female we will use she and her. She is smart, can you call her? So her is an object in this sentence and she is the subject, we are the main person. And when we are talking about someone, that's the third person. So we are saying, can you call her? So we are talking about her. Can you call her? Neuter or neutral, we will use it, both in case of subject and object. Let's see examples. It does not look good. Jessica does not like it. Okay, so it is personal pronouns and these are third person. In case of plural, that means if there are more than one person, in case of first person, we use we, us. We in case of a subject, us in case of object. So let's see examples. We are happy. We is the subject. First person. Why? Because we are talking about ourselves. Mike partied with us. Us is again first person, but is the object in a sentence because Mike is the subject in the second sentence. And that can be male or female, it depends. We, us. Let's look at the second person. In case of second person, we will use you. So usually second person are you, your, yourself, yourselves. Let's see example. You are a fabulous team. So we are not referring to a single person here. We are referring to group of people. So what we are saying? We are saying you are a fabulous team. You is a subject. Okay. The judges awarded you the best couple award. The judges awarded you the best couple award. That means we are talking about two-person. Two-person, yeah. We are talking about couple. So you is a plural in this case, and you is again pronoun, but it's used as an object because judges are the subject in this sentence. Third, they, them. They are the best. So they are the best. So we are talking about they. They are the main subject. Then in the second example, everyone loves them. So them would be used as an object. That's the object in the second sentence. Everyone is the subject in this sentence and them is the object. So from this table you can understand that personal pronouns are used both as a subject, both as an object, in case of singular as well, in case of plural, in case of first person, second person, third person, in case of male, female, neuter. Okay, so it depends what you want to convey. It depends what kind of conversation is taking place. Okay, So hope you find this helpful. See you in my next video.